Our energy grid was designed for coal and gas power. These energy sources provide stable power, but the energy is not from a renewable source, and its use has detrimental environmental consequences. Australia is a land of abundant sunshine with the world's highest per capita take-up of rooftop solar. We produce vast amounts of cheap, renewable energy. But there's a problem. Renewable energy from rooftop solar isn't generated and dispatched on demand. It relies on the sun to shine. This creates peaks and troughs in energy generation that may not match energy demand. In addition, we're often away from home when energy is generated on our rooftops, and transmission constraints in the grid may make it hard for this energy to go from our homes to where it is needed. It may even lead to energy being curtailed or wasted. Let me explain. Imagine the electricity transmission grid is a 4-lane highway, and the electrons created by the generators are the cars. More energy produced means more cars on the road. In the middle of the day, renewable energy generators may produce more cars than the highway can handle. The highway gets congested and new cars cannot enter. This is when generators are being asked to stop cars from entering the highway. Or in other words, generators are being curtailed. Renewable energy is available, but it cannot be transported to where it is needed, and as a result, this energy is wasted. To stop such energy waste, we could build a bigger, 6-lane highway, but this has high infrastructure costs, which will be passed on to all customers. And more importantly, for much of the day, these 6 lanes may not be needed. This is where battery energy storage systems come in. Batteries allow us to time shift energy from a time of low demand and high supply to a time of high demand and low supply. Imagine that 4-lane highway again. Imagine how much better the road network would operate if an algorithm helped minimize highway congestion by parking cars and allowing them to go onto the road when needed. We may not need to upgrade to a 6-lane highway at all. This is the role that battery energy storage systems can play in the network. They store energy so it can be time shifted from when it is generated to when it is needed. By placing batteries in the right locations, upgrades to the existing electricity network may not be required or can be delayed. Battery energy storage systems can increase the penetration of renewable energy in the grid, reduce energy waste, and allow us to make better use of the existing electricity network. This is great for the environment, and it can reduce energy costs and network charges. These financial and social benefits are felt by all community members, not just those with solar panels. That's real equitable power.